Assalamualaikum friends, welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss best online resume builder world website in detail. Before starting this video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for upcoming new video update. First is WordPress.org. WordPress.org is a top pick for building your resume website. WordPress has thousands of plugins that you can use and to add a theme function to your website. Many of these are free, including a resume page builder plugin. Next is Constant Content Website Builder. Constant Content Website Builder is a fantastic in all options for creating your resume. This website builder is powered by AI, artificial intelligence, and you will be get out your resume site and running it quickly. Constant content handling a website and issues like a security and backup and update. Next is Gator. What is Gator? Gator is a website page builder from Gator and popular to establish your website hosting company. Like a constant content website builder, Gator is an one all-in-one option. Do not confuse the Gator is a website builder with the HostGator website. There are 200 free-made template themes you can be used and to your website and running it quickly. Next and is Virtual Resume. Virtual Resume is an international focus resume builder. You create your own resume and cover letter that you can be download. The support the team available is 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. PDT time zone. You can be create a website if you have own paid plan. It is a pro version of Virtual C. Cost from $12 per month and it gives to all access to template. Next is Expert, which is the best resume builder website. If you want to best website builder from your resume and using a WordPress, it is the most popular website builder in the WordPress. In the focus powered by 35% of all websites. WordPress loading a great resume template that will work quickly, brilliant for you. You can edit as a many page and feature to your website as a content you want. If you try it complete free, you can only pay when you are ready to put your website alive. Friends, thanks for watching this video.